Inflation may not be making headlines every day anymore, but it is still quietly reducing the purchasing power of your money. If your savings account is earning less than the inflation rate, you're actually losing money in real terms. And for investors, inflation can be one of the biggest threats to long-term wealth. The good news? There are ETFs specifically designed to help protect your portfolio when prices rise. Today, we're looking at 3 ETFs that can help investors fight inflation: GLDM, INFL, and VTIP. Each one takes a different approach, and together they offer multiple ways to defend your portfolio against rising costs. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's get started. Why inflation matters. Before we dive into the ETFs, let's quickly discuss why inflation is such an important factor. Inflation measures how quickly the prices of goods and services increase over time. When inflation rises, groceries become more expensive, housing costs increase, energy prices often rise. Everyday expenses consume a larger portion of your income. For investors, inflation creates another challenge. A portfolio growing at 5% annually may sound great, but if inflation is running at 4%, your real return is only about 1%. That's why many investors look for assets that can keep pace with or even outperform inflation. The 3 ETFs we're discussing today are designed to do exactly that. ETF number 1. GLDM. First up is GLDM, the SPDR Gold Mini Shares Trust. GLDM gives investors exposure to physical gold without the hassle of buying, storing, or insuring gold bars. Gold has long been viewed as a hedge against inflation. Why? Because unlike paper currencies, gold cannot be printed by governments. When inflation rises and purchasing power declines, investors often turn to gold as a store of value. Historically, gold has performed well during periods of economic uncertainty, currency weakness, and elevated inflation. One of the biggest advantages of GLDM is its low expense ratio compared to many other gold funds. For investors seeking a simple and cost-effective way to own gold, GLDM provides a convenient solution. However, it's important to understand that gold doesn't generate income. Unlike dividend stocks or bonds, gold's return comes entirely from price appreciation. That means there can be periods where gold underperforms other investments. Still, as an inflation hedge and portfolio diversifier, GLDM can play an important role. Many investors allocate between 5% and 10% of their portfolio to gold-related investments. ETF number 2, INFL. Next is INFL, the Horizon Kinetics Inflation Beneficiaries ETF. This ETF takes a completely different approach. Instead of holding gold or inflation-linked bonds, INFL invests in companies that may directly benefit from inflation. Think about businesses that own valuable hard assets or have strong pricing power. These companies may be able to raise prices as inflation increases, helping their profits grow. Some of the sectors often represented within the fund include energy, transportation, infrastructure, commodity-related businesses, asset-rich companies. The philosophy behind INFL is simple. Rather than merely protecting against inflation, why not invest in businesses that can actually thrive during inflationary environments? This strategy can potentially provide higher long-term returns than traditional inflation hedges. However, there is a trade-off. Because INFL invests primarily in equities, it can experience stock market volatility. The fund may fluctuate significantly during market corrections, even if inflation remains elevated. For investors willing to accept more risk in exchange for greater growth potential, INFL offers a unique inflation-fighting strategy. ETF number 3, VTIP. The third ETF on our list is VTIP, the Vanguard Short-Term Inflation-Protected Securities ETF. This fund invests in short-term Treasury inflation-protected securities, commonly known as TIPS. TIPS are special U.S. government bonds designed to adjust with inflation. As inflation rises, the principal value of these bonds increases. That adjustment helps protect investors from the loss of purchasing power that can occur with traditional bonds. VTIP focuses specifically on short-term TIPS. Why is that important? Short-term bonds generally experience less interest rate risk than long-term bonds. When interest rates rise, long-duration bonds can decline significantly. VTIP's shorter maturity profile helps reduce that risk. For conservative investors, this can be an attractive feature. VTIP may not generate spectacular returns, but it can provide stability and inflation protection at the same time. It's often used as a defensive holding within diversified portfolios. Investors nearing retirement or seeking capital preservation may find VTIP particularly appealing. Comparing the three ETFs. So, how do these inflation-fighting ETFs compare? GLDM offers exposure to physical gold and serves as a traditional inflation hedge. INFL seeks to benefit from inflation through ownership of companies that may profit from rising prices. VTIP provides direct inflation protection through government-backed inflation-linked securities. If we think about risk levels, VTIP is generally the most conservative. GLDM falls somewhere in the middle. INFL tends to carry the highest volatility because it invests primarily in stocks. Each ETF serves a different purpose. That's why many investors choose not just one, but a combination depending on their goals and risk tolerance. For example, conservative investors may prefer VTP. Investors seeking diversification may add GLDM. Growth-oriented investors may favor INFL. A balanced portfolio could potentially include all three. Which ETF is best? The answer depends on your investing objectives. If your primary concern is preserving purchasing power with lower volatility, VTIP may be the strongest choice. If you believe inflation will remain persistent and want a traditional hedge, GLDM can provide valuable diversification. If you're looking for potentially higher returns and believe certain businesses will benefit from inflation, INFL may be worth considering. Remember, no single ETF is perfect. In conclusion, inflation can affect different asset classes in different ways. That's why diversification remains one of the most powerful tools investors have. Inflation remains one of the biggest challenges facing investors today. While no investment can completely eliminate inflation risk, ETFs like GLDM, INFL, and VTIP offer practical ways to help protect your portfolio. GLDM gives you exposure to gold. INFL invests in businesses positioned to benefit from inflation. VTP provides government-backed inflation protection through short-term tips. Together, these ETFs represent three different strategies for defending your wealth when prices rise. The key is choosing the approach that best aligns with your financial goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future investing and ETF content. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. The ETFs discussed in this video are provided as examples and are not recommendations to buy or sell any security. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.